I'll show the 2-year Wi-Fi lock connect with video dolphin. This video dolphin include this display screen and also the doorbell. This doorbell can have the video, and this doorbell video dolphin is support 2-year application. I already add this application in 2-year. This is 2-year app for the video dolphin. Now I'll show the connection and unlock from video dolphin. Into the main menu, you will see here a lock button and press unlock. The 2-year Wi-Fi lock unlock directly. And also in the video dolphin 2-year application, they also can do the unlock operation. Press the lock and choose gate and confirm. The lock unlock. Okay, now I'll show the 2-year Wi-Fi lock. This is 2-year Wi-Fi lock application. You could press the doorbell on the lock. Okay, you will get a hint. You could choose agree to unlock the lock. So it is the 2-year Wi-Fi lock.